Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So I like to make videos about affordable beauty on a budget, and when you do decide to splurge and buy that high-end item every now and again, I like to help you make the most of the money that you do spend. So if that sounds good to you, you are in the right place. So today's video is a 2 looks, 1 palette using the Shop Miss A Date Night palette. This is from the Shop Miss A website, and it is their date night eyeshadow kit. And first of all, here's what it looks like. And so basically, if you're not familiar with Shop Miss A, they have a ton of not just makeup, but all kinds of things, accessories, all that kind of stuff. They've got like LA Colors, they've got some other brands, and then they also have their own line of products called AOA Studio or Paw Paw. There's a couple of them, and I'm a little bit mixed up as to how it works, but it's an awesome website. You should totally give it a try. I did a haul and a full face a while back, and I will have those linked below so you can check those out. But super affordable, awesome. This is actually a magnetic palette, and these little singles come out and they magnetize, and you put them in there and arrange them however you like. And you can buy one of these empty magnetic palettes for $1 to fill up with your own colors. And I think they have other sizes as well. This is called a kit because it came all together. It came with 9 eyeshadows, all boxed up individually, and then the magnetic palette to put them in. So, and they've got a couple different ones. So I think this was like $9 or $10, which basically just means everything was $1 a piece. And I had only done that look from my full face of Shop Miss A makeup, and I hadn't touched this again. So I really was wanting to do a multiple look, 1 palette video with this. And this is actually look number 2 that I'm wearing. So make sure you watch to the end to catch this look as well. But there is another look. And before we get into today's video, I have to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. If you are what I like to call a Dollar Diva, be one of my Dollar Divas and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell. That way you don't miss an upload. So if you want to see how I got both looks with this palette, definitely keep on watching. So I hope you enjoyed this 2 looks 1 palette video using the date night palette. So drop a comment down below if you have this palette from Shop Miss A. Let me know, and how do you like it? I'm actually very pleasantly surprised by it. I don't feel like I can do a lot of looks with this, but I do feel there are some really solid looks I can create. And today I did not use that purple because I used that in my full face that I did, but that is an amazing purple. So I'm very happy to have this kit. It was actually my second choice. I wanted the Foxy kit, but they were sold out when I bought it, but I'm glad I got this one instead. I might get that one in the future, but I do like this palette, so definitely check out Shop Miss A. This is not sponsored by them. It's just a great place to buy some really affordable makeup if that is something you love. And if you are here, I'm sure you love affordable makeup. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with anyone you think might enjoy it as well, any Dollar Diva in your life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.